Alright, about to head out on a road trip. Got my Aeitto 32 quart cooler, like a refrigerator actually. This side of it, I put some drinks in, a few food items. It's got a nice little light on the side. Got a cutting board you can take out with the switch. Take it out, real simple. It's really cold already. I've got it down to 32 degrees. It's getting there. I turned this on not too long ago, but it's really working well. On this side, I mean, you can get it down to cool ice cream, really. This side right now is getting there. It is also about 32 degrees. Put a few more drinks in there. It's not as large as the left side, but it definitely holds different things if you want to keep them separate, especially temperature-wise. You can look over here. There's a wheel on one side, and they put this handle on here, which is pretty convenient. You just gotta, I'm trying to do this with one hand, slide both sides, and then you can lift it up and then wheel it where you want to wheel it. It takes a lot of the weight off and just snap it back in place. So over here is where the gauges are. You got a USB port underneath here. Easy to change the temperatures down. Like I said, you can get this actually down to -4 degrees if you wanted. Again, both sides operate the same, and you just set it. And down here you have a little holder for, I guess, imagine your keys. Snaps into place on the side. Real simple. There is a connection right now going to my 12-volt port in the car. I'll be using that, but when you're like at home, maybe in a camper, they use this, and this works actually really good too because it's meant to do both ways. Yeah, real simple. I like it. Gonna be using this a lot. Here is the review of the cooler. It's about 14 inches deep by about 11 inches for this first cubby. Second one is about 7 inches deep by about 8.5 on this side. It does have a really cool added cutting board here that comes off with this. The handle does collapse back in, so you could pull it. It is on wheels. And you have all your controls over here for the temperature. Then down here, you have for the power plug to hook it into the car. And then right here, you get the power cord kit. The instructions on how to do everything and how to set everything up. Then your manual here. And
We had one very similar, so I'm hoping it does everything that the other one does. It is a very solid unit, and I can't wait to get out there and go. This one's even better because it does have locking doors. You can't just lift it. You actually have to pull the handle here to actually get into the unit. So I'm pretty impressed with that. I'll add a text review on talking about it after we use it.
Alright, so we just got back from the food pantry, and this baby came in handy. Let me tell you what. Loaded that up with the frozen goods, and the best part about this is there is an outside plug for your car and an inside plug for a wall outlet, and it's connected here, so I can just leave this plugged into my car and use it again next time.